Hello, welcome back. I hope you had a good break. My brother and sister were in town and we went to SeaWorld in San Diego. Okay, week 3, back to work. Here we go. This week's readings are on planning a research project and writing the research proposal. So you might want to flag that second chapter for later when you are writing your proposal. You have 3 assignments this week. The first is the article review paper. Doing this will get you more into your topic area and help you think like a researcher. Which means dissecting ideas into quantifiable chunks and assigning the right terminology. So please fill out the form in the assignment. The second assignment is the IRB training. That's to help you understand the risks a behavioral science research project might pose to participants, also called human subjects, and understand how to minimize the risk. The next step is section C of your proposal, where you identify the proposed interventions. An intervention is what you believe needs to happen to resolve the problem you have identified. Here's an example. Imagine you have identified a problem with productivity, and you believe employee morale is low and contributing to the problem. Some symptoms you see of low morale are graffiti and sabotage of equipment. How could you understand the current state of employee morale? You could ask employees, what are your expectations from work? How are they being met or not met? How long have you felt this way? Was there an inciting event that changed the way you feel about the organization? And what for you is the biggest problem at your company, and how do you cope with these problems? Let's look at interventions. They are also called the treatment, or TX, in research. It's the thing you want to try to implement to solve your problem. I've worked in human performance. Harold Stolovich and Erica Keeps are popular authors in this space, and in the announcement, if you go to the text version, there's a link to the chapter they wrote on interventions. So you might want to skim it or look for some of their tables or checklists. And I'm just going to kind of verbally review one of the tables. So they say, for example, if sales are lagging, an intervention might be increased commission. If there are high error rates, an intervention could be feedback on error rates with comparisons across teams. If the current state is customers are waiting too long, an intervention could be an increased number of customer service reps. Or if users are inefficiently using software, they may need the intervention of training and job aids. And if reports are being late, maybe interfering tasks need to be removed. Let's see. Then the last assignment is the threaded discussion, which asks you about your experience finding, reading, and reviewing your research article. You can answer each question with a short phrase. You can treat this like a form. And then as a final note, please always put your name at the top of your assignments. And please name your file starting with your last name, your first name, then the name of the assignment. And as a final note, I'm going to be doing choreography for a children's theater group, and our rehearsals start on Saturday. So please wish me luck. Thank you.